How to delete all messages on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see all your conversations. Now, if you want to delete just a few message or conversation, find the chat you want to delete. To delete an entire conversation, press and hold the chat and simply click on delete. Or you can also swipe right depending on your device and simply click on delete. This will remove the conversation for your inbox. Now, if you want to delete multiple conversations at one, you'll need to delete them one by one. But there's a faster way to clean things up. Messenger doesn't offer a one click option to delete all messages or conversations at once, but you can quickly delete each one individually. And that's how you delete or archive a message on Facebook Messenger. To simply, if you don't want to delete, but if you want to simply clear up the feed, you can also go to archive like this. You can simply archive the conversations of you had, and that's it. You can simply clear this feed of your Messenger like this.